Good morning, everyone. I'm Info Mutt, and today I have this to show. This is the no talking button, and I used to want one of these things. Now I have one, right? So it's always nice to have. It's always nice to have for when people ask you silly, inane questions and you just don't have the energy to speak. You can just press a button. So it's just a good idea to have. And it's fun too. So this thing I got it from the Dollar Tree, I think it was. So, yep. So let me give you, oh, it has 5 different phrases that it says. It says, no, forget it, no way, absolutely not. And it's a no for me. So there you have the 5 different phrases. And let me give you the product code for this thing. And this is it right here. This is the product code for it. And I guess I can show you around the box. I mean, it really doesn't matter because we're not using the box. We're using what's in the box. So I had to place some batteries in here before I started this video. See, $1.25 Dollar Tree. 5 phrases and this. So give me one moment and I can show you what it says and how it sounds. Let you hear what it says and how it sounds. Okay, so here it is. And I had a lot of goofy stuff in my time on this planet, but let me show you. Will the world come to an end tomorrow?
No.
Okay. Does my butt stink?
Forget it.
Will I hit 1 million views?
No way.
What? Are you telling the truth?
Absolutely not.
Oh, I'm glad to hear that. Thank you, no button. I needed that. So that's what it does. They are the 5 phrases that it spouts. And I plan to have fun with it, you know. So please rate, comment, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you have a no button and you like it. Or do you have a no button and don't like it? And it was a no for you. So give me a thumbs up. And please remember to always treat each other with kindness and respect, because you would want someone to treat you with kindness and respect. Thank you for watching my videos and have fun.